Unfortunately, I forgot my phone's passcode, and every time I attempt to unlock my device, you can see instead of unlocking, the time just increases and my phone becomes unavailable. Right now, my countdown time is about 58 minutes till I can try another passcode, and if that's not the one, the time is just gonna increase further. It's very easy to get discouraged or disheartened when something like this happens, whether you are using an iPhone or an Android. But luckily, I know about Wondershare's Dr.Fone, a reliable and affordable mobile solution that can help you solve this type of problem. Look at how easy it is to actually set up and unlock my disabled phone. The first thing you need to do is to download and install the latest version of Wondershare's Dr.Fone into your device, and after it's downloaded, find the application and open it. Go to your toolbox just like this, and now here you can see the different tools that you have access to. So screen unlock is what we want, but you can see the others that you have access to, such as system repair, WhatsApp transfer, data recovery, phone transfer, among others as well. So in my case, I'm looking for the screen unlock, and when I have it selected just like this, on the right hand side it shows you a table of all the things that you can do under this screen unlock option. So click on it just like this, and you can see it opens this window. Free your device from screen locks quickly and effortlessly. You can pretty much work on Android and iOS devices as well. So since in my case it's an iOS or iPhone device, I'll select the iOS option just like this, and now it opens this window with all these different options. The one that I'm going to be selecting is unlock iOS screen, remove screen passcode from iOS device. Just click on it like this, and it says remove iOS screen. So Dr.Fone will remove all types of lock screen from iPhone, iPad, iPod, and all these other devices. And the next thing to do is to just click start just like this. The next thing it's advising us to do in order for it to detect our phone is to put our iPhone into recovery mode. So if you have an iPhone 8 and above, it gives you the steps that you can take. If you have an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, this is what you can do. If you have an iPhone 6 and earlier, you can see the steps that you can do to put your iPhone into DFU mode. So since the iPhone I have falls in the iPhone 8 and above category, I'm going to follow what Dr.Fone says I need to do to put it into recovery mode. So let me quickly just do this. Connect the phone, volume up, volume down, and then press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo, and it will eventually just transition into the recovery mode. So it doesn't take long. You can see the Apple logo shows up. I'm still holding my power button just like this, and you can see it's now flashing. And now you can see the iPhone has gone into recovery mode. This is the screen that you want to do. So I'll quickly just lay it on the table. And now let's continue and finish off in Wondershare's Dr.Fone. When I put my iPhone into recovery mode, you can see how Dr.Fone's screen automatically updated. It shows the version and so on, and it shows the iPhone. So now I'll quickly click where it says start just like this, and it says downloading in progress. So I'll give it a few seconds for this to complete. And now you can see here the firmware are ready to complete. It shows you the version as well as your model again. And so I'm quickly going to click where it says unlock now, and you can see it's verifying. Now I have to input this code that you see right here, and once you put enough zeros, the unlock section is going to be highlighted now, and I'll click where it says unlock, and you can see unlock now. Please ensure your device is connected. So I'll leave it connected, and now you can see unlock now. I'll make sure that my phone stays connected to the device, and in the meantime you can see what's happening to my iPhone. It no longer shows the recovery icon, showing that something is happening in the background, and this is what I see on the iPhone. And if we were to jump back to the Dr.Fone screen, you can see it's just continuing the process at about 15%. So it just jumped straight to 96%. This process takes very little time, but it's very important to make sure that your device stays connected to your Mac and don't use it while it's connected, because like it mentions, if you unplug it or cause problems with the connection, that might be an issue. And you can see how far the progress right here is on my iPhone that's being screen unlocked. Now it says lock screen has been removed completely, and if I switch over to my iPhone, this is the screen that I see right now. It's just in the process of restarting. Now you can see my device has completely been screen unlocked. So welcome to the hello screen, and I can now begin to set it up and use it as a normal phone. And just like that, you can see my iPhone has been completely screen unlocked. I can use it as I want, and now I don't have to wait the many hours or minutes that it was saying for me to wait until I had my next password trial. Using Wondershare's Dr.Fone, I've been able to successfully remove the screen lock that was there on this phone. What I really like about Dr.Fone is that it's continuously been upgraded and improved. Like recently, they introduced new features to Dr.Fone. So one of them is the Android system repair upgrade. It's the easiest Android repair tool with no tedious info. Dr.Fone will automatically detect your phone and enable one-click system repair. And the other feature they added is recovery Android broken phone, which recovers data effortlessly from all Android phones with unfunctional or broken screen. Easy. Something good also about Dr.Fone is the fact that they are well known and work on all major platforms and are optimized for the latest operating system, so you can definitely expect blazing fast performance. So whether you have an Android or an iPhone and you are looking for good mobile solution that works, such as the screen unlock feature that I demoed, check out Wondershare's Dr.Fone. To learn more and try it out for yourself, I'll leave links in the description of this video that you can check out. And shout out to Wondershare for sponsoring this video and giving me the opportunity to test out the software.